Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay using Cash App in store without card. So here I will show you two methods which is really easy. First you have to open your Cash App here and then you have to tap on the card icon which you can see here in the bottom row of the symbol to the left, right? And here, and once you here tap on it, now here you will get this option to plus icon, add card to Apple Pay or add card to Google Pay if you're using Android, right? And here on the top right, you will see this option up next. You can just click on add and follow the prompts. Now here you have to fill up all this information. Now click on next here, right? So in this way you can pay it. Now this is the second method which you can pay the paying by using merchant directly. Go to your Cash App here, enter the amount, and then just go and click on pay, right? And here on the pay you will get this option of pay now, add all this information, right? And once you enter it here, again click on pay and then it's done, right? So this is really easy thing to do. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.